Hi everyone, happy Saturday. Today we're going to be unboxing Rainbowloom's newest version of the Loomiloom. That's right, it came back. The Loomiloom is a double-ended hook. The first version came out 10 years ago, and that one, it came with the hook. It came with two grips, a blue one and a purple one. And also it came with 3 Loomies, and those were used to help you make the Loomigurumi figurines. It helped you to make the first row. And now look, they made a kit of the Loomiloom. I bought this one in Hobby Lobby for $10, $9.99. I am so happy that they came back. So let's just unbox it. The kit comes with the instructions. You can find here 3 bracelets that you can make: the single chain bracelet, the fishtail bracelet, the little clouds bracelet. And if you scan the QR code, you can find videos on how to make the infinite swirl and the wavy work. And if you can see how to add the beads as well. You also get the awesome double-ended hook. How awesome is this? You can take off the grip. Just slide it down. Just like that. You get your beads. You get about 25 beads. You get 3 packs of your cosmic bands. These are like dual layer bands. You have 2,400 bands. That is a lot of Rainbowloom bands. You also get 50 clips. I really love the new clips because you can see that it has 2 sides. I want to show you how different the new clips are. I have here the original C-clips, the transparent one, and a green one. But look at the new clips. It has hooks on the 2 ends. I really like this one a lot. It almost looks like a pretzel. I wonder what the new name is. They just named it clip, I guess. I also wanted to compare the hooks. This is the new one, and this is the old one. Ignore the stickers. You can see there's a difference in length. The old one is a little bit longer, and the new one is shorter. But the hook is basically the same. The new one is a little bit thicker. You can feel it a little bit. So this one is a little bit more sturdier. I love them both the same. I am so happy that they brought the Loomiloom again. You can never have too many double-ended hooks. You can actually buy just the hook itself with the grip on rainbowloom.com. this July is going to be my 13th anniversary on YouTube. So I am going to be running a giveaway soon. I am going to be giving away either a Loomiloom kit, the Cosmic Dreams, or the Festival Magic. Or if I find another Rainbow Loom kit in stores, I am going to be giving that one away. So please keep a lookout, and thank you so much for always watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing, and have a good weekend, and thank you so much. Take your hook and put it through one end of the cap band. Take your second color of band and just put it through. Put both loops on your hook and keep them on the hook. Now take your hook and you're going to insert it on the second band, and it's going to be in the middle of the third band. You can see right there is the top of the second band. So you're going to put your hook through. I am squeezing the second band, and right there is the middle. And you're just going to put your hook through. Remember, we still have the first band of our secondary color still on our hook. You're going to pass it through the white band and one of the loops of the black band. Now you're going to have 3 loops of the black bands. Take another black band or whatever color you're using, and you're going to slide all 3 of the loops through and put both loops of your band on your hook. Keep both loops on your hook, and again we're going to put our hook through the third band, and it's going to be the top of the band. And if we squeeze the third band and the fourth band, The top of the third band is going to push through, and we can easily insert our hook through. Remember, we're keeping the 2 loops of the black band on our hook. We take our black band or whatever band you're using. I am going to pull it through the white band and one of the loops of the black band. Now we have 3 loops of the black band. I'm taking another black band. I'm going to pull it through all of the 3 loops and put it on the hook. I'm just repeating the steps over and over. Keeping the 2 loops on our hook, we're going to insert it to the top of the band like so. We take our band, put it on the hook. I'm going to pass it through the first loop, the second loop, and we're going to put all 3 loops on our hook. Take your next band and put it through all 3 loops. And repeat. Keeping 2 loops on our hook, we're going to put it to the top of our next band. I'm going to repeat the process, and I'm going to come back before I reach the end of the single chain bracelet.